Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Pinterest account public. Now this is very quick and easy to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you want to do is just be on the Pinterest website like I'm on here. And if we look in the top right corner, we will see initial of our account, and this will take us to the My Profile page. So when you click on it, you should see your profile like this, and you just want to look for this Edit Profile button, which we can find right here. So when you click on that, it will actually show you a bit about your personal profile and things you can edit. Since we want to make our account public, we want to choose one of these options on the left. Now it did actually used to be under privacy and data, however they have since moved it to this one, which is profile visibility. So if you click on this, as you can see, it says manage how your profile can be viewed on and off of Pinterest. And here is the option to actually have a private profile. So if you're looking to make your Pinterest account public, yours will probably look something like this when you come on this page. And in order to actually turn it public, it is as simple as toggling this switch off and then clicking save down here. Now if you decide you want to make your profile private again, it is very easy. You just have to click this switch again, and then you have to do the same thing as last time. Just click save, and as you can see, it says profile visibility has been saved, and I'm now back to having a private account. So that is exactly how you can make your Pinterest account public. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.